Hey guys, today's question is minimum number of swaps to make the string balanced. In this question, we are given with a string of brackets only. So the string contains exactly n by 2 opening brackets and n by 2 closing brackets, the square brackets. And what we can do is a string is called balanced if it is empty or if it can be written as AB and both and A every balanced string such like let's say this. Okay, A and B both are balanced. Third case, it can be written as C where C is balanced string like this. Okay, this is also a balanced string. Okay, so these three conditions, these three are balanced string. You may swap the brackets at any two indexes any number of times. Return the minimum number of swaps to make S balanced. So we have to return the minimum number of swaps to make the string balanced. Now, what we can see that for every opening bracket and closing bracket just after it, okay, after shrinking also it will get popped out and we don't need to change these brackets. Okay, for example, if we have a string like this, so you can see this string is already balanced. Okay, only we need to swap the first and the last character because all these characters have a closing bracket just after them. Okay, so we can see that we don't need to take these letters in our consideration. Okay, so what we will do is we will take a stack and we will simply check, like when we check the balance parenthesis, if this bracket comes and after that if this bracket comes, we will pop out, and in the else case we will just simply push the brackets. Okay, after that the stack size will tell how many brackets we are remaining in this format. Okay, we will be remaining with brackets in this format only because there are exactly n by 2 brackets. Okay, now we need to check the answer. We need to return the answer for this format only, and in this format we can see a simple observation like let's check this. So for this string we need to swap only one character first and last. Okay, for this string also need to only swap first and last character, so the string will look like this. Okay, and this will look like this when we swap first and last. In this string we have to swap first and last and also this middle character. Okay, so the string will look like something like uh, something like this. Okay, and okay, now after that for this string we need to also swap the first two and last two characters, so the string will look like this. Okay, when we swap the first two character and last two characters. For this string we also need to swap first the middle character and first two and last two character. For this string we need to swap first three character and three characters again. So what we can observe is for this part we need one swap, for this we also need one, for this one we need two swapped, for this two, for this string we need three swapped, and for this we can also three. So we can see we have to return the ceiling of the division by 4. Okay, for this division by 4 will be 0.5 and the seal will be 1. Okay, for this division of 4 will be the division with the size of stack. Okay, so 4 by 4 will be 1, so answer is 1. For this, when we divide it by 4 it will be 1.5 and the ceiling will be 2. For this string also, when we divide it by 4 the answer will be 2. 8 by 4 is 2. For this string 2.5, as there are 10 characters, so ceiling of 2.5 will be 3. And now for this string there are 12 characters, so 12 by 4 equals to 3. So we can see for every string, after removing these brackets which are already balanced, we have to return the size divided by 4 and we have to take the ceiling of that. Okay, Now let's code first. Code for that. First we have to remove all these brackets and make a stack of only these type of brackets, so that we can return the stack.size divided by 4 and the ceiling of that. So first take the stack of characters, let's name it as st. Now we will traverse in the string for auto and x in s. Now if the string is empty, we can't pop out anything and we don't need to check anything, simply push. So st dot push the current character x. Now in the else if case, as we said, if the current character is closing bracket and top was opening bracket, then we have to pop out. So ft dot top, this was the opening bracket, and the current character x is closing bracket, then we have to pop out. So st dot pop. Now in the else case, we will simply push. So st dot push x. After that, as we said, we will simply return the count. We will return the size divided by 4 and take the ceiling of that. So we have to return the, let's take use ceil function, and we have to return the ceil of st.size divided by 4. So st.size, as this value is integer, we have to divide it by 4.0 to convert it into float, so that we can use ceiling function. Now simply close. Let's run this. Okay, bracket is missing here. Let's run again. Okay, let's submit. So the code is accepted. Thank you for watching.